Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is an interesting change. Google, that of course has Android, has always been naming its Android versions with sweets, all sorts of sugary treats of Kit Kat, and um, there was. Android 9 Pie. There was Android 8 Oreo, and so on. Nougat and whatever sugary treat. And it's always followed that. And so we were wondering Android Q, which is the next version coming out in a month or two from now, what sugary treat would be used with the letter Q. Well, it's over. No more treats. Android will now be numbered. So the next version of Android will be called Android 10, and they have revamped the Android logo and branding. So that means that we're going to get in a new era of Android versions rather than having the names of some kind of sugary treat. Android 9 was still referred to as Android 9, but it was Pi, as the name implied. So they're just removing the naming system and just giving it numbers now. So the next version of Android will be Android 10. What we know is that it should be available in the next few weeks to months, before the end of the year, that's for sure. And, it of course will have probably quite a few improvements of sorts, but the big change is mostly that now it will be referred to only as a Android 10, and will have new logos and branding. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.